Hello, Adam Franklin here, just on the last day of my little end of quarter getaway at the Gold Coast. This is a little cafe called Paddock, which I've been wanting to visit for a little while. So today I want to talk about one of the things that came up at the client intensive workshop last week, and that is what's the difference between flagship content and a lead magnet? Because I actually often use those two phrases interchangeably, but in actual fact there is a slight and fairly significant difference. So a piece of flagship content is the primary one. It's the thing that you're known for, and often it's that helicopter view, that 20,000 foot view of, I guess for me, it's the marketing ecosystem that we put in that web strategy planning template, but for you it might be something completely different. Whereas a lead magnet, that can be, it's a little bit more tactical, it's a little bit more a smaller picture. So you can definitely have lots of them, like we've got 40 or 50 odd lead magnets on our site. Often it's like a little checklist or a cheat sheet or something like that. But it's not typically something that you're known for, whereas your flagship content really is. So the flagship content for us, web strategy planning template, that's the thing that we're known for, the free giveaway that we're known for. But it's actually meant to be so valuable that people would pay you for it if you asked. So that's really kind of the gauge. Whereas lead magnets, that can be more of a zoomed in view. Say a zoom in for me of either LinkedIn or email or Instagram or anything like that, whereas the flagship content typically is your 20,000 foot helicopter view. Alright, hope that makes sense. Leave a comment if you've got any questions and I'll clarify anything. Otherwise, we'll see you again soon. Bye.